Hello everybody, and in this video we're going to talk about the membership operator in the Python. Okay, let me just give you an overview. What does the membership operator does? It just checks out the membership of a character or any other value in any sequence. It could be the string, list, tuples. These are a kind of sequences. So it just checks out whether the letter or integer, whatever I'm looking, is it a part of that sequence? Is it a part of that string, list, or tuple? So we have a string here. So let's just take a simple example. We have a string here, and in string I gave the value of the Uncle Bob. Now I want to check if a character, I'm looking for the character B in name. Alright, okay, what does this line mean? What does this line mean? Okay, if the capital B is the member in the name string, make this condition true, but if it is not, then make this condition false. So now I want to check whether our condition is true or not. Alright, I want to print. Okay, found the membership. Alright, if B the part of the name, this condition will be the true. So yeah, our condition is so true. But if it is not a part of the name string, for example I want to write the Z here, it is not a part of our name string, so it won't give me anything else. So just write else here. Okay, okay, not a member. If the condition is false, just hit me up with not a member. Alright, so not a member, obviously Z is not a part of name, so this condition is false and this condition is true. But we also have a not in membership operator which will execute if Z character is not a part or a member of the name string. Make this condition true, but if it is a part of the name string, make this condition false. Alright, so if the character is not part of a name, this will be executed. If it is a part of a name, this will be executed. Alright, Z is not a part of a name, so found the membership will be executed. But if I just write the capital U, it just it is a part of the name, so this condition is false and it will execute not a member. If you really find it helpful and you want me to make more videos about the programming related stuff, so hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.